A task list for a child, with my child in mind, but any child, let's be honest. I have 4 children. The third one is in kindergarten this year. I've got a first grader and a fourth grader. And the kindergartner especially really struggles with, what am I supposed to do next in the morning? And one morning he was really excited. He was like, I put on my shoes, Dad, and he still had his jammies on. And so like he just really struggles with what's next. And so we decided we're going to make some task cards for them, for all of them, but for him especially, to follow along and step 1, step 2, step 3. The idea is, so that's what inspired. So what's supposed to happen, I'm pretty sure this is out of order, is as you finish the task, you put in your card for that task with pictures, not just words, and it's supposed to tell them yay or nay. Ideally, we would have made an if-then. If you did this one first, it would tell them to go back to this one. Couldn't figure out how to do that in Scratch, so that didn't happen. But ideally, that would be what we would do. But so that's what's supposed to happen. So we'll see. Who knows? So he got dressed.
Good job, man. Go get your shoes on.
Okay. So
That's great.
we have some connection issues in the back. These are switches on the back of the car. You can see. So it's connected to the earth in the back.
Outstanding. Go eat your breakfast.
Cause he likes to brush his teeth before he eats breakfast.
He
too.
does. Well, just depends on the day.
Awesome. Now go brush your teeth. Awesome. Now go brush your teeth. That's wonderful. Go wash your face and hands.
All right. So that was the plan. So